When most homeowners think about improving home security, they start with alarms and cameras. But the strongest protection often starts with something even more basic: your exterior doors. Older, worn, or builder-grade doors can become the weakest point of entry for intruders. If you live in Rayne and you're considering ways to make your home safer, a professional door replacement can dramatically increase your overall security, comfort, and peace of mind. Stronger materials for better protection. Many older homes still have hollow core or thin wooden doors that simply can't withstand force. Modern replacement doors are constructed using steel, fiberglass, or reinforced solid wood, offering far greater resistance to kicking, prying, or drilling attempts. Steel and fiberglass doors are especially popular among homeowners in Rayne because they provide a strong barrier without sacrificing curb appeal. These upgraded materials help deter break-ins and significantly increase the time and effort required to bypass the entrance, which is often enough to stop an intruder altogether. Reinforced frames and hardware. It's not just the slab of the door that matters, the frame is equally important. During a professional door replacement, installers often reinforce the frame with heavy-duty strike plates, upgraded hinges, and deeper screws that anchor securely into the home's structure. This ensures that the door can't be easily kicked in or removed from the hinges. Many break-ins happen not because the door is weak, but because the frame fails. Replacing both together gives your home a stronger and more reliable level of security. Modern locking technology. A new door replacement in Rayne also gives you the chance to upgrade your locking system. Today's security advancements go beyond a standard deadbolt. Homeowners now choose from smart locks, keyless entry systems, multi-point locking mechanisms, and tamper-resistant cylinders. These advanced features make it much harder for intruders to pick or bump a lock. Multi-point systems, in particular, secure the door at multiple positions rather than just one, creating even more resistance against forced entry. Better visibility and awareness. If your current door doesn't include a peephole, side light, or secure viewing panel, you may feel less confident opening the door to unknown visitors. Many upgraded entry doors come with reinforced glass inserts that allow you to see outside without sacrificing security. These inserts are made from impact-resistant or laminated glass, giving you better visibility while still protecting you and your family from break-ins. Decorative glass can also help complement the architectural style of your Rayne home while serving practical safety purposes. Improved weather resistance equals longer lifespan. Security isn't just about keeping criminals out, it's also about protecting your home from weather damage that can weaken the structure over time. Modern doors are designed to withstand Rayne's heat, humidity, and heavy rains. Steel and fiberglass doors do not warp the way wood does, and they maintain their strength longer, which means your security features continue performing at their best year after year. Peace of mind for families and homeowners. The biggest benefit of door replacement often isn't visible. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing your home has a secure barrier protecting your family and belongings. A well-constructed, properly installed door gives you confidence, especially when you're away from home or sleeping at night. You're not just making an upgrade, you're making an investment in long-term security. Final thoughts. Door replacement in Rayne is one of the most effective ways to enhance home security without the hassle of complicated systems or ongoing maintenance. By choosing stronger materials, reinforced installation methods, advanced locking features, and updated designs, you create a safer and more comfortable living environment. If your current doors show signs of wear, looseness, or poor insulation, now is the perfect time to consider a secure and stylish upgrade. A new door not only protects your home, it also boosts its value, improves curb appeal, and helps create a safer space for everyone inside.